It's going. Alright, there's the setup.
Yeah.
The output's going into the CV
So,
of the VCO.
What I'm doing now is, that's fast attack. That's very slow attack. This is fast release. Oh wait, no, it's not. That's fast release. That's very slow release. And so that's fast attack, slow release. That's slow attack, fast release. Those are kind of the limits there. Okay. And then I'm going to try to get to where you can see the sustain and decay. No, I gotta stop it. I gotta mess with it.
Change the sustain or something.
You want me to change the sustain?
Sure. Or whatever. Change that waveform a bit more. Bigger changes. There it goes. Keep that one again.
That's... So that's taking the sustain down. And so let's get where you can see them all. Okay. And then the attack. That's the attack. That's ultra fast attack.
Okay, that's it.
That's ultra slow attack.
Okay, my video ran out. Sorry, my phone was dying. That's pretty good. That was one. One VCO as a trigger, second as the tone generator. Gives a drum beat pattern. Go ahead, you can mess with it now. Drop the sustain.
Yeah, you're out of range of the sustain.
Yeah.
On this wave, yeah.